Hi there, Luke here from Thames Valley Windows, here to present the lovely Panorama sliding door here at the Timber & Forms garden showroom. The Panorama has a brilliant 25mm sightline here, pretty much as slim as you can get on the market for an aluminium sliding door. It can achieve sizes of about 2500mm width in panel and about 2700mm in height. The Panorama slider is PAS24 certified, which makes it a brilliant solution for your new build and extension projects, meaning you can put it in without any issues of the building control officers not signing off your lovely new sliding doors. The thermal efficiency on the Panorama sliding door is about 1.4 or a B to C rated wear value. As standard, the Panorama can come in black, grey or white, but for a small additional charge you can have it in any RAL colour of your choice. The Panorama slider can come in dual track or triple track. We have an example of a dual track here on display. That allows you to either have one panel or both panels sliding, as you can see here. You've got one pushing from one side, and equally you can leave the other one in position and slide the other one there and position it as you wish. If you had three panels, you could then have an additional panel here, giving you that extra space on those much larger openings. The Panorama is an on-track slider. As you can see here at the bottom of the track, the door is sliding on this rail. That is allowing it to move effortlessly back and forth. This isn't typically designed for a flush track setup, although with a Z profile, which is a special piece of aluminium, we can sit this into the ground to give a flush effect to the bottom of these sliding doors. The Panorama door is a brilliant, cost-effective, slimline sliding door, providing a brilliant solution for your rear extension, also for garden rooms such as the one we're in here today.